Want to build a business that truly stands out? We've discovered the most powerful and profitable machines of the year. Tools that are revolutionizing industries and turning ideas into success stories. Get ready to explore game-changing innovations that can take your business to the next level. 1. Wood chipper grinder machine. A wood chipper grinder machine is a fantastic investment for businesses involved in forestry, furniture production, sawmills, or biomass fuel manufacturing. As industries shift towards sustainable practices, the demand for processed wood materials, such as wood chips and sawdust, is increasing. These materials are widely used in biofuel production, paper manufacturing, gardening mulch, and animal bedding. Investing in a wood chipper grinder allows businesses to tap into multiple revenue streams, from selling wood chips to biomass power plants to supplying sawdust to the furniture and paper industries. With the rising focus on recycling and eco-friendly solutions, businesses using wood chippers can benefit from government incentives and growing market demand. 2. Puffed corn making machine. Looking to break into the snack food industry? A puffed corn making machine is the perfect choice. This machine processes corn grits into light, crispy, and flavorful puffed corn snacks, one of the most popular treats worldwide. Using high-temperature and high-pressure extrusion technology, it creates uniform, perfectly puffed snacks that appeal to all ages. With the increasing demand for ready-to-eat snacks, this machine opens up numerous business opportunities. You can produce plain, flavored, or coated puffed corn snacks and supply them to supermarkets, convenience stores, and online markets. The machine's automation reduces labor costs while maintaining high production efficiency, making it a must-have in the snack industry. 3. Cloth fabric spreading machine. A cloth fabric spreading machine is an essential tool for textile and garment manufacturers. It automates and streamlines the fabric laying process, ensuring uniform fabric layers while reducing material waste and improving cutting precision. This machine can handle a variety of fabrics, from delicate silk to heavy denim, making it a versatile addition to any production setup. Investing in a fabric spreading machine can significantly boost production efficiency, allowing businesses to meet higher demands with consistent quality. With the textile industry booming, driven by rising demand for clothing, upholstery, and industrial fabrics, businesses using automated spreading machines gain a competitive edge in mass garment production and specialized textile manufacturing. 4. Dough rolling and pressing machine. For bakeries, restaurants, and food production businesses, a dough rolling and pressing machine is a game changer. It efficiently flattens dough to a consistent thickness, ensuring uniformity in products like pizza bases, flatbreads, tortillas, and pastries. With adjustable pressure settings, it can handle different types of dough, from soft pastry sheets to thick bread bases. Investing in this machine saves time, reduces labor costs, and ensures product consistency, crucial for large-scale food production. As the demand for baked goods and fast food continues to rise, automated dough rolling machines increase efficiency and profitability while reducing manual effort. 5. Rubber strip cutting machine. This machine is widely used in the automotive, footwear, sealing, and gasket manufacturing industries, where high accuracy and consistency are crucial. Designed for durability, it efficiently cuts different types of rubber materials, ensuring clean and precise cuts without waste. Investing in a rubber strip cutting machine boosts productivity, reduces manual labor, and increases output speed. As industries continue to evolve and require custom rubber components, the demand for these machines is expected to grow. For businesses looking to scale up operations, this machine provides a cost-effective and efficient solution. 6. Gallon bottle washing machine. A gallon bottle washing machine is essential for bottled water businesses. It cleans and sanitizes large water bottles efficiently using high-pressure water jets and multiple cleaning cycles, ensuring thorough hygiene before refilling. With the global demand for purified drinking water increasing, businesses in water bottling, beverage production, and industrial liquid storage can benefit from investing in this machine. For companies looking to expand their operations, a gallon bottle washing machine helps maintain high-quality standards while improving operational speed. 7. Sugar syrup printer machine. A sugar syrup printer machine is a revolutionary device that allows precise printing of edible designs, logos, and text on cakes, cookies, pastries, and even coffee foam. Widely used in the confectionery and bakery industry, this machine adds customized decorations to food products, enhancing their visual appeal. Investing in a sugar syrup printer attracts customers who seek personalized food items for branding, events, and special occasions. With the rising trend of aesthetic and customized food presentation, this machine is a valuable asset for bakeries, cafes, and dessert businesses. 8. Wall printer printing machine. The wall printer machine is a high-tech innovation that allows direct printing on vertical surfaces, such as walls, glass, wood, and metal. Using advanced inkjet technology, it prints detailed images, text, and graphics in vibrant colors, making it perfect for home decor, offices, restaurants, and commercial spaces. This machine is highly profitable for businesses in advertising, interior design, and mural painting. As businesses and individuals seek unique and customized wall decorations, this machine provides a scalable opportunity to meet the demand with minimal operational costs. Entrepreneurs can offer custom printing services for businesses, schools, cafes, and real estate projects, turning creativity into a profitable venture. 9. Metal flame cutting machine. Ideal for heavy-duty applications in industries like construction, shipbuilding, and metal fabrication, the metal flame cutting machine efficiently cuts through steel and other metals with high precision. Equipped with an automated control system, it allows for precise cutting of complex shapes, minimizing material waste and ensuring smooth edges. As industries expand, the demand for high-quality metal cutting remains strong, making this machine a long-term profitable investment for manufacturing and fabrication businesses. 10. Gold laser welding machine. Using advanced laser technology, this machine enables strong, clean welds without damaging delicate jewelry or fine metal components. It's widely used in jewelry manufacturing, watch repair, and small-scale metalworking industries. With focused laser beams, adjustable power settings, and real-time monitoring, it provides precise control over every weld, ensuring high-quality craftsmanship. As consumer demand for customized and high-quality jewelry grows, a gold laser welding machine allows manufacturers to produce intricate designs, repair expensive pieces, and offer personalized engraving services. 11. Mini air cushion machine. This compact machine inflates and seals rolls of air cushion film, creating lightweight yet durable protective packaging for fragile items. It's ideal for e-commerce, warehouses, and shipping businesses, ensuring that products are securely packed while reducing material waste. Unlike traditional bubble wrap, this machine produces air cushions only when needed, saving storage space and shipping expenses. With the growing e-commerce market, businesses need reliable packaging solutions, making this machine an essential investment for online sellers and logistics companies. These game-changing business machines offer innovative solutions for various industries, helping entrepreneurs boost productivity, reduce costs, and scale up operations. Want to learn more? Watch this video, where we explore 25 more business machines that can help you start a profitable business. Like, share, and subscribe for more insights on successful business ideas.